Do you want me to share the facts with you all tonight?
The lines, man.
You remember the linesmen that they carry in. But the part that you all don't know, Jamaica, is who got the contract to carry in the trucks. You hear what I said, Courtney? Who got the contract to carry in the trucks?
I know me.
Did you get the contract? I don't need to use allegedly. I'm proving to you, Miss Sonia Bear, who got the contracts to carry in the trucks.
Everybody know that.
Ishmael, put up that picture for me. I must have my Savior with me.
David was one of the